Are you wondering what course did you take?
So, kung kunin na course na PS Bio or PS Chemistry po kasi I want to be a doctor something. Ano, so, ang doctor ng baby, so, pag magtutuloy ako ng doctorate, kukunin ko ang medicine.
So, tourism, kasi gusto ko mag-travel all over the world. As psychologist, kasi gusto ko rin malaman yung parang about sa tao, saka identify ko kung ano yung mga taong nasasabi ng totoo, gano'n.
So, pharmacy kasi, parang nakikil ko na madali lang siyang tunan. Tapos yung second phase ko, marketing kasi magaling ako makapag-review sa mga tao.
The City University of Pasay offer Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Bachelor of Science in Office Administration teaches the deep sense of leadership skills to the students for them to lead in a work and social situation and managerial skills for them to handle people towards success.
The program, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, aims to prepare the graduates for the career in office administration, specifically in various general and specialized support, supervisory, and managerial positions.
What subjects teach in this course? This course teach one of its major subjects, the office procedures, that covers office practices and techniques for effective and efficient handling of office routine work, covers the phase of the business procedures, variety of office duties such as filing, handling mails, receiving callers, making and answering telephone calls, operation of the computer, typewriter, and other common office machines, also covers basic principles of a law office. This course is also designed to prepare the student for challenging medical office management careers within the profession of medicine and designed to ensure effective and realistic learning.
This course also teaches the subject keyboarding, with the use of typewriter or computer that is designed to develop familiarity with its different parts. It prepares students not only to be acquainted with the diversified typing jobs, but also provide work experience the execution of job exercises.
One major subject, which is the edge of this course from other courses, is stenography. Stenography is an art and science of writing hidden messages in such a way that no one, apart from the sender and intended recipient, suspect the existence of message. It is a form of security through obscurity. It covers the basic principles of Gregg's shorthand, the ability to read and write shorthand correctly, and transcribe accurately, and intensive drills on reading shorthand, leads and to develop reading speed and dictation.
Yes, so, that I made that. So, difficult course is not stenography. But there is the fact that this is an interesting discussion. Here are some students that find it difficult for us manage the first yung kasi, hindi ko siya, wala akong idea kung ano bang meron yung tapos yung matay ko na, first year nag-talk namin si yun, parang sabi ko, wow, interesting ang seno, kasi ano siya, or dito, parang makapulapit siya, dahil hindi ko sinusulat. Pero, nag-practice din naman siya, administration, parang kailangan mo natin siyang mag-sulat para mas mapag-iis pa, mapag-shortcut sa mga words. So, yun na, after noon, parang sabi ko, wow, maganda nga itong seno. So, parang mas na-motivate akong mag-aral pa ng gusto hanggang sa matutunan nila. So, yun. Hanggang ngayon, sinulit ko pa rin ang seno kahit ayaw niya sa ako. First year, tapos nag-a-adjust ko pa, kaya medyo nag-focus. Pero second year, malapit ang matutunan. First year ko magturo, medyo, nga lang, medyo, second year, talaga ako natutunan. Umasa, magtunan.
PSOE enter the world of technologies. The students are taught to be computer literate, from using some Windows application up to making system programs and websites.
If we talk about teaching, this course is out of the order in. Most of the class we really score by using overhead projector and LCD TV monitor.
It helps for the student to analyze much better the topic to be discussed and the images and graphics to be pictured out.
Education is about adapting to a changing world. In the 21st century, learning must be student-centered and personalized. Students will use multitude of technology to interact with the world. In our college, we are already using some innovative tools in learning, like, for example, the multimedia, which is an interactive learning process. I believe that the effectiveness of teaching learning process does not depend only on the teacher, but also upon the different types of equipment available in the classroom. The different equipment called, like, for example, audiovisual aids makes teaching learning process more interesting, more stimulating, more reinforcing, and more effective. While traditional teaching, it is a one-way flow of information. There is no interaction at all. But for the multimedia learning process, the interaction involves teacher, students, and the multimedia.
Here are the jobs that you may have after taking this course.
Which of these programs are clerk encoder, stenographer, bookkeeper, call center agent, customer relations, customer service representative, and for the advanced office positions, office supervisor manager, executive assistant, and administrative assistant.
You can be manager that supervise and manage the overall performance of staff in a certain department, analyze reports, giving recommendations, and developing strategies on how to improve quality and the quantity.
You can be a secretary, whose work consists of supporting management, including executives, using a variety of project management, communication, and organizational skills.
You can be a stenographer that transcribe accurate verbal communication such trials and business meetings, and be a well-known court reporter that acts as a silent witness to many trials and jury inquests.
There are lots of BSOE students who graduated and become successful in their career. One of them is
My name is Romel Alberto, in Conroe. Studied here, Mamad Asad, for 4 years, office administrator. And what I can say about the course, it helped me to get my job early because of the things, for example, like keyboarding. We have computer courses, right? For, of course, for call centers, you're using computers, so if you're knowledgeable, that you're like edge to get the job. And of course, what I told them earlier, office administration is very flexible. So as you can see, you can be a stenographer, because you have a stenography course. You can be like IT, because you know something about, not really the full IT job itself, because you will learn about like the basics of computer. And pag job description, pag sa mga trabaho, mas mabilis sa mga kuwan trabaho. Kasi sa office administration. For the courses yan, mahirap, ganun talaga ang buhay, mahirap ang courses. Especially stenography, lalo na kung mabilis yung pinamagsalita. But for the good thing about it is the professor, they make it easy for you guys, for you to learn that task. And what else? That's basically it. If you're really computer literate, especially for the like the days that we have now, it's all about technology. Right, so that's going to be the advantage.
Rafael Lucadron. I'm from batch 2009, and my present job is in STI Global as a team lead. Masasabi ko sa course, very versatile. Yun yung lagi sabi ko, maganda tong course nito kasi kahit saan mo siya ilagay. Lahat kasi lahat nag-i-exist siya sa mga offices. Lahat naman ng company may offices, di ba? So, very versatile ang course. As a secretary, pwede ka doon. Pwede kang kahit saan position. Kasi, yung mga admin work, clerical work, nandun. Nasa topic of yung management. Lahat yan cover ng course.
Aside from those jobs we got, there are other jobs opportunities for you. You can be a representative, an IT, an encoder, a bookkeeper, and a teacher.